Hi again. Today we are going to learn about times tables. Now we have been doing some times tables on our calendar activities all year long, but many of you might not actually understand how timetables really just means groups of things. So when you see this sign, the X, the times table sign, it really just means groups of. So whenever you see that sign, that's what I need you to think of, groups of. Now today, we're not actually going to write anything down. We are just going to practice making groups of things. So in order to do that, I'm going to get my bowls, which are going to stand for my groups. I think that right now, I am just going to start with 3 groups and demonstrate. So if I have 3 groups and I put 2, I'm using popcorn kernels today, but you could use Cheerios, gummy bears, jelly beans, whatever you have in your cupboard to put into your groups. When you make your groups and you say that you've got 3 groups, right now I've got 3 groups and I have 2 in each group. So I have 3 groups of 2. 3 times 2. 3 groups of 2. And so to figure out what my answer would be, I add up all those popcorn kernels. 2, 4, 6. So 3 groups of 2 makes 6. So if you have dishes or little things, you could keep pausing this video and you could do it with me, or you could just do your own groups afterwards. Okay, now I'm going to just go with 2 groups. I have 2 groups and I'm going to make 2 groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So now I have 2 groups of 5. 2 times 5. And that makes 5, 10. 2 groups of 5 makes 10. Okay, so now we're going to start another one. And we are going to do 1 group. So I have 1 group. I'm going to make 1 group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 group of 4. 1 times 4 makes 4. Okay, now I'm going to do 4 groups. And I'm going to do 4 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. So now I have 4 groups of 3. 4 times 3. And that makes, well, if you can't count by 3s, you can just count them all individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But if you did know how to count by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4 groups of 3 makes 12. Now I'm going to do 5 groups. Get all these out and add 1 more group. Okay, now I have 5 groups. I'm going to make 5 groups of 4. So I have to put 4 in each group. Now that's one of the rules of timetables. All the groups have to have an equal amount in every group. Otherwise it's not groups of. They all have to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 1 more, 4. So now I have 5 groups of 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5 groups of 4. If I didn't know how to count by 4s, I could just count them all individually to see what my total was. 5 groups of 4 makes 20. 5 times 4. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate with 6 groups. So bring in one more bowl. I have 6 groups, and I'm going to do 6 groups of 2. Oh, I see I have one too many there. Okay, so now I have 6 groups of 2, or 6 times 2. So that makes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That makes 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so you can maybe rewind this video and pause it and get your bowls out or plates, whatever you have around, and try and do this with me each time. But in our next video, we will be practicing it by drawing it. So just have fun making groups and see if you can make groups and groups of, and get comfortable with your times tables. I will see you in the next video. Bye.